Okay, this is starting to get exciting. It's been a bit to set this up. Um, Originally, I was putting forward the idea of providing a list of Amazon Mustang skills for potential pedagogical use. However, I have an Amazon Mustang capable laptop that I was able to provide some additional architecture to the in-world a distribution mechanism. So it does add some complexity to the architecture, nothing that we haven't seen before. For example, the NASA site that I reviewed as part of the 10 did discuss, it used an external website for the audio. Now, it was a little bit of work to sync it up, and I had some trouble doing that with the Magic Carpet ride. So I didn't get the tour as I should have, and I'm hoping that I won't have any trouble with this. Now, I won't go through this whole slide. I can click on it, but I'd just rather get right into the skills and explore that piece. I'm using headphones, and it did present an additional bit of a challenge. So, Alexa, please play a podcast.
Resuming Artificial Intelligence from Amazon Music. AI, Episode 5.
Specifically natural language processing. I worked at MIT as a researcher for a few years on some projects for the FDA as well as DARPA. Voice technology was really blowing up 2 years ago, really at the beginning of the cycle where Alexa, Google Home, these were supposed to replace the mobile, replace everything, really take over the world. And honestly, they've done a great job of that. I think there's a lot of cool use cases out there. Almost on a weekly basis, I hear about a new voice company doing something that I couldn't even imagine. And I'm like, that's really cool. So yeah, we decided to jump into this space. Right now, Bull AI, we build voice AI voice assistants for medical and dental EHRs, the electronic health record software. This kind of comes out of this is a pretty well-known problem of digital documentation requirements on doctors, right? They have to spend a ton of time taking notes, whether this is during the appointment or it's called pajama time. They have to do it at night. We've seen a lot of times they have to hire a scribe to do this while they're with a patient during an examination. I think we've heard something of like up to 50% of the doctor's time can be spent interacting with the EHR. This is a burden on a doctor. Look, they've been to school for like 10 years to become really top-notch medical professionals. And they don't want to spend all their time interacting with the computer. Their focus is patient care. This also detracts.
Stop. Okay, so we're 4 minutes into this 5-minute presentation, this mini build. This is an extension of what I had originally planned, of what was going to be simply a list of potential uses. We've actually presented a potential prototype using voice recognition software and machine learning as a way to convey content in world. Thank you for your time, and good things.